recording at 4056 5th Avenue Northeast. It's 4056 5th Avenue Northeast. We are at the back of the Y, where line comes just out of the house. Located this. Coming back in 4-inch pipe. See some root intrusion through here. Going downstream. This is the tap to the city main here. You can see it's obviously shifted. The homeowner's side is broken on the end of the clay there. You can see on the left hand side of the screen. The city is to come out in camera the main to see if the whole hillside is shifted, so we're waiting to hear back on that. I'm going to start pulling back now. Some running water, but you can see these seams are pretty offset. They've shifted quite a bit. This is where 4056 goes back into their own personal line. Going back in, you drop into the 6-inch shared line with the neighbor to the north. That seam is also offset there. A liner would fix that up and seal it up nicely. Coming back, you immediately see this pipe is cracked. This section right here would be the first to fail, if anything. This is in the right of way, underneath the tree on the right. Coming back up and out of the clean out. Gonna end the video here.